So you have a website. So what? I know that's a horrible thing to say, especially if you spend a ton of time and a ton of money getting the perfect website. But what you have to understand is a website that doesn't have traffic coming to it is like a gas station on Route 66 when I-70 or I-75 have just passed it right by. A website needs traffic to be driven to it. And we're going to talk about that in another video. But what I want to talk about now is this whole concept of you've got a website, what's really missing? Here's a concept. If you have an offer, let's say an ad that's a beautiful video in blue and it has an offer of this particular product, and this product has all these great features, and you have great copy that tells them to come to the store to get this product, or if you're offering a service and you've described this service and you've talked about this service as a white glove service that helps people to the next level, or if you have a great personal training or personal one-on-one sessions with yoga, and you talk about all the great things, and you talk about the atmosphere of your gym and the atmosphere of your approach, and then all three of those cases, after clicking on that ad, reading that great copy, they go directly to your web page, which has nothing but menu, every offer, slider. In essence, you've lost them. A lot of people don't get that. They're so happy with what they have. I mean, I've had business owners rationalize to me saying, well, you should see what we had before. Your consumer does not care. Your offer needs consumers. So therefore, you need something called a landing page. What a landing page is something that is consistent in theme, look, and feel as your offer. So when somebody clicks on that offer, they come to a page that's completely clean, almost missing all the menus. It may have notes about what your privacy statements and your return policy and everything else are. And it'll be all about that particular offer, completely consistent with that offer. Some even go as far as to have the checkout right there on the landing page. So somebody sees the offer, there'll be a video maybe describing how great the offer is and what they'll get with this offer, and you'll describe all the benefits of it on the landing page, and people could scroll down and hit a button and buy the product. But let's say it's a situation in which you want to just offer a product and you don't want them to buy it, but you want them ultimately to go to your website. You have a landing page. It may have information about the product. Your user will then come to this offer page, which is completely consistent with your offer. But on that, you tell them that they can get the discount for the yoga studio visit, or the discount for the personal training, or the special assessment for their legal situation, or the special free plus shipping offer. The first thing you ask for is their email and their contact information. Now, this is why this is important. Imagine if you were running a local restaurant, let's say a pizzeria, and you had an offer for a coupon for $10 off for everyone with an April birthday. Somebody clicks on that particular ad. They take that ad and they don't have a landing page that captures their email, and they go right to the pizza page and they start ordering that pizza. It's great, right? But what happens if somebody gets distracted, somebody says, take a drink of their whatever they're drinking, somebody else calls, they pick up their phone, and then somebody else says, oh, do you still want pizza? What do you want? And they get distracted, the screen closes and they forget where they are, and they start over with somebody else and they just call Domino's. Worst case scenario. So that person had the coupon code, they were all the way through the order, they hadn't bought, they hadn't put in their email or anything, and you lost them. So how are you going to get them back? There's only one way to get them back. You have to advertise. You have to pay to get them back again. If you had a landing page where you're capturing emails, or you had a messenger bot that was capturing emails and contact information, you would grab that information, then either email them that information or message them that information, but you would have their information. So if they never converted on your first offer, you always have the ability for absolutely free to follow up with them again. This is a lesson that I took from some of the most successful the successful e-commerce stores I've ever seen. All the money is made on the back end, and the back end is with emails. And emails are pretty much a free form of promotion. They never, ever, ever want to pay to get somebody back who they've already brought into their store or into their landing page again. So that's why a landing page is so very, very important. Not only is it consistent, it can help you close your offer, but the landing page will help you close the offer after the fact if you don't convert it at the point of initial click from your offer. So landing pages can be a plugin that goes with a WordPress website or a WooCommerce website, a plugin that'll help you build a separate landing page. We often use a landing page builder that we'll put a link into one of the ones that we use. And then you see them all over, and they range in price from $30 a month to $97 to $297 a month. But these landing page software allow you to capture leads, follow up with email, and they allow you to make sure that your offers really get picked up. And the close rate or the conversion rate with landing pages over just general web pages is great. And even if you have the best product page, and you're fighting me on this conceptually, or the best service page or the best whatever page, if they leave without you capturing their contact information, you will have to pay to get them back again. And if you have enough money to do that, you're fine. But our recommendation is some sort of lead capture landing page. And it works for the best of them, and it's going to work for anybody. So it's not a big thing to do, and it's a secret that not a lot of people know about, and I wanted to make sure that you had that available. So that's it for today. If you would like to join us and find out more about what we do, feel free to click the link below. But we're going to, in a couple of lessons, talk about intelligent email and how we follow up in an intelligent email flow. But for now, we're just going to leave you with this lesson, and thank you so much. Take care.